Casas.
Honorable Alberto Rinaldo.
Congressman of the 2nd District, Honorable Congressman Johnny T. Pimentel, ang atong action man, Governor Alexander Ike Pimentel, dili isa-isayhon. Patindugo na to, Kagawad Ma'am Inday Sulapas, remain standing ma'am. And then ang 18 in celebration of the araw ng mga goy. So isa din ang mga and pasensya na lang gamay kay ang original plan na to was the culmination program will be held in Mangagoy Oval. Pero ang venue na i-renovation, nag-demolish sa covered court, maunang nag-change venue. So salamat kaayo sa inyong dali nga pagtubag sa atong change venue. Miss Adabo, Ludwig Adabo. Ma'am, please stand. And our first runner-up, we have taga Mangagoy, taga Riverside District, Miss Juliana Liz Salang. Ug ang new mutya for the year 2024, we have Miss Hannah Joy Arboliente. Ano itong mga mutya? Thank you sa atong mga...
And then, nasa events. And tonight we will have live band, and I hope that yung mga taga Mangagoy will support all the events. Thank you so much. And this time we are truly honored to hear and to listen for celebration messages. Of course, we are so thankful for our leaders.
Barangay Mangagoy, happy fiesta! Maraming salamat. May I speak to our very own Governor Ike P. Pimentel, of course our Congressman Johnny T. Pimentel, our generous City Mayor, Honorable Florencio Incio Quaton Garay.
May buntag sa tanan, dako kayo in behalf of the Mangagoy Barangay Council, our 15th Sanggunian Barangay Mangagoy, headed by our Purong Barangay Aaron A. Castillo, together with the council. Dako kayo ang among pagpasalamat labi na sa pagsuporta, sa pag-apil at pag-witness sa tanan activities na gihimo sa Barangay Mangagoy.
Ayan, mag-pass ng pata sa order parade. Pwede photo-ops ang mag-photo-ops na din sa itong mga mutya, Matron King. Thank you.